you have to find something where you can attach the resistance band to in the home. So you got to look around, you got to be a little creative to help yourself out and get this workout done. So I have a coffee table. I'm going to stick it onto there. So I'm just going to wrap it around, just like that. Go ahead, have a seat. You're going to grab the cables. You're going to sit up nice and straight, feet together right in front of you. Chest up, shoulders down. You're going to extend your arms out, and then you're going to pull inward and roll your shoulders back and squeeze your upper back. Go ahead, breathe in on the way out, blow out on the way in. Look at her abs, they're tight. She's not moving around back and forth. Her neck is nice and straight. She's looking straight. That back is getting worked nice and effectively. Look at her wrists. They're not bent, moving back and forth either. Her elbows, you want to keep them as close to your sides as you can. So you kind of want to grind them in your sides and squeeze that upper back.